What's going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys exactly how I create product pages that do convert. Then I'm talking about the copy, because a lot of you guys saying, you're trying to perfect the ad copy, all of that good stuff, trying to write a really good ad copy on your Facebook ad. But honestly, guys, the copywriting comes into the description of the product. So what we're going to talk about in this video is how to make the perfect product page, the landing page the customer is going to get to, how to write good descriptions, how I write descriptions, basically just how they look. So that's what we're going to get into in today's video. I'm the Ecom boss, and if you go down and smash a like on this video right now, it will mean the world to me. Then you just support me if you do that. It's like the only thing I strive for here. And please do subscribe. So we should probably just get straight into the video. My arm is starting to get exhausted from all of these videos from me just holding the microphone here. Still can't afford a microphone stand. I probably could, but I'm not gonna do that. Maybe later, I don't know. Should we get into the video, guys? Let's do it. Roll the intro. Hey guys, this is the Ecom boss, like I already said, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys how to write good converting product pages. So first of all, what is a product page? You guys probably already know the product page is where you're gonna send your customer, because in your store you're gonna have a home page, you're gonna have different collections and all of that stuff, but inside the collection you'll have all your products. And then we're gonna talk about the page, the description of the product is quite obvious, right? So when you're writing a product page, you could play on emotions, you could just don't play on anything, you could just type the features of the product, all of that stuff. A lot of people tell you to play on emotions. Well, for me, it depends on the product. If you're marketing something that someone is going to buy to your girlfriend, you got to play on emotions. There's so many psychological things you guys can do to try to convert the sales, but at the same time, you just want to stick to a normal drop shipping product description. In a second here, we're going to go into my computer and I'm going to show you guys how I write product descriptions and convert. I'm going to go over 2 examples of good product descriptions, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about using GIFs, using pictures, basically just how it is. Should you have a 30-day refund policy, all of that stuff. First of all, you've probably seen a lot of descriptions that says like 30-day money back guarantee. You don't want to do that. People will take advantage of it. You don't have to say it. They will still buy if you don't say it. You could have like fast shipping, this, that, all the features, all the benefits of buying from your store. But one thing is, don't have this refund policy in there, 100% refunds. You get a refund if it's broken or never arrived, right? That's the best way of you to avoiding chargebacks, because in the PayPal case it won't hold if you say free returns. I just saw a guy, he was running Facebook ads, and in his ad copy, I'm talking in the ad people saw on Facebook, it was free shipping and free returns. Like, that's nonsense to put that in an ad. It was an Ecom meme a while ago, but guys, don't do it. Also, what I've actually seen from some people joining my coaching program, by the way, if you want to get in the coaching program, you can message me on Instagram here. We got to plug the Instagram. Please do follow me, guys. One of the guys in the coaching, he was writing his first description and he said, why should you buy from us? That was one of the headlines, because in the description you should have like a headline and then a paragraph and a picture and a headline. We're working with some headlines over here, and one of his headlines was, why should you buy from us? We obviously changed that. I told that we don't do that, because that just sounds weird. You sound like a seller already. You don't want to come out as a seller. You just want to come out as a friend selling a product. But he was saying, why should you buy from us? That's already raised a red flag, because you're just acting like a seller. But anyways, guys, should we jump inside of my computer? I'll show you guys how I actually make these product descriptions. Okay, guys, so we are inside of my computer, and right now I'm going to show the description on one of the guys in my coaching store. Well, first of all, this product is super unique. Like, you could spill water on it and nothing will happen. It's like a water resistant type of thing. So this product itself is quite unique, but that's not what counts in this video. We're gonna look at the product description here. So, never worry about stains ever again. That's a perfect headline, and he even puts it in blue. So that headline is gonna catch the attention, and that's probably what he used for his ad copy as well. On his ad copy, it probably says, never worry about stains ever again. Start here, link to the product page, free worldwide shipping. But he already starts with a picture. I don't know if that might be a little too early to kick off with a picture, but anyways, this is how I structure it, right? You do a paragraph, or you could do a headline here, and then we have a picture, and then we go into paragraphs, and then we go into some points, which you always want to have in your description. You want to have some pointers here, and then we go into a picture again. Here we got the few features, then we got another section with points, which is super cool, and then a picture, a couple of pictures, and then we got the paragraph, and then we got a picture. Here it says 30-day money back guarantee. I know some of you guys are going to comment on it. I wouldn't do it, okay? But this is how we structured it. I think this was super cool. So basically what you want to do is a paragraph and a picture. If you look at this Firestarter tool as well, it's the same layout. This thing is super cool. It, catches attention up here. We got a picture, we got a paragraph, features, picture, features, and then we get a paragraph again with these features right here, and then we got all the points down here, then a picture, and then explaining how it works. And even as a picture, this is a real bonus here. First of all, he explains how the product works. He talks about it here, then it's the steps 1, 2, 3, and then it's a picture right here of actually how it works too. Buy with confidence, and his policy, super good one. Should probably throw in some more Luke's reviews, but it's a super cool product description. So one thing you guys always want to have is Luke's reviews on your store. That's one part of the actual copy, because you're showing trust, you're showing that people have bought this product before it arrived, whatever. You're just building that trust when you have Luke's reviews on your store, because it is reviews. Amazon has reviews, you know, so you want to implement those reviews. That's going to be super important to building the trust factor. Okay guys, here we have another description. I have no idea what my good friend Eric only put one picture up here. You guys should have like one picture here and a couple of pictures to look at here. Anyways, this is an awesome description. So he starts off with the name of it. It's 5 stars. You can see that it's actually pretty smart of him to have the stars right here. I really do like that. But we're gonna look at the description here. So what my good friend Eric did here was like, want the coolest mini drone that is controlled by your hand. Perfect thing that catches you guys' attention. That's super cool. Then he keeps it the Ecom boss style, like he would have said himself. So he has this thing to catch their attention. It's actually a question. Starting off with a question is a really good psychology type of thing to do. It always works. It's like you're having a conversation with them. So start off with a question. Super nice. You don't always have to do it, but I think it's nice. Then we have this cool GIF here showing what it's doing. And then we got a paragraph. We got a picture, paragraph, picture, paragraph with the features. And then picture, and then paragraph and picture, and we just repeat that cycle. Paragraph, picture. Here, down here, we have some pointers. Super cool having pointers here. It looks super professional. We got the Luke's reviews. Guys, implement this, the Ecom boss strategy. You have a paragraph and a picture, and a paragraph and a picture. I just called it how Ecom boss do it, and that's what you guys should do. Paragraph and a picture, and you gotta get these Luke's reviews. So in terms of playing on emotions, only do that if it is an emotional product. You don't play on emotions like, you know, on a drone, on a funny type of product. Then you're trying to be the cool guy, right? So in some situations when you're trying to sell a cool product like a drone, you're just gonna be the cool dude who sells this thing. Tell like, wow, this product is so awesome. You could do this, you could do that, throwing in all the features. But then it's a I love you nickel you sell to your girlfriend because you really love her. Okay, if someone is gonna buy that for the girlfriend, you're playing on the emotions once again. Super important here. So then it could be like, do you love your girlfriend? I actually saw a guy, he had a page post about dogs, and it was an emotional type of dog product. It was actually cats. I'm wrong, sorry. But he had the cat product, and it started off saying, do you love your cat? Of course you do. We all do. In fact, link, free worldwide shipping, already playing on those emotions. That was actually in the ad copy itself. This video is not about ad copy. But what I'm going to say here, guys, this is going to be really valuable tip here, so listen up right now. Before that, go down, drop a like, and please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. It would truly help me out, and I appreciate all of you guys. So instead of focusing on copywriting inside your Facebook ad, you don't want to do that. You just keep it short, simple, straight to the point. What you guys want to be doing is, instead of just focusing up on the copywriting in the ad, all of that stuff, your copywriting is going to be on your page. That's where you type everything. That's where you talk about the product. You got to get them hooked in the ad, right? You want to keep it super short and simple. So you want to keep your ad copy like, for example, this. Keeping track of your health has never been easier. Free worldwide shipping, start here, because then you catch their attention, right? And the video is also going to catch these guys' attention. They look at your video, your picture, whatever, and they read this thing. Keeping track of your health has never been easy before. Now they click into your page. Where does the copywriting come in? The copywriting comes in on your page, right? That's where you play on the emotions. That's where you talk about the features. You don't do that in the ad. You don't want to have a spammy ad. Keep it short, clean, and simple. And on your product page, put in that copywriting skill. You know, figure out, use the best type of words. You know, use your vocabulary. Just figure out something good. Make it stand out, talk about the features, play on emotions, whatever you guys want to do, but don't copyright too much in your ad. Focus on that on your store here, because what you're looking at on the store is what's going to convert. You want to have a good description, but a lot of your customers want to check it out. In terms of homepage, all that stuff, don't spend too much time perfecting it, because it is the product page what's matter. You're going to send your customers to the product page, or at least your potential customers. Then they're going to give you your email, then they're going to type in their credit card information or whatever, and they're sold. That's why you got to be big on copywriting on your store, but you should not be too big on it in the ad, because the video is going to catch their attention, right? The ad is just to get them into your store. It's to grab their attention, but not to talk about the product. There would be no point entering your store if they already knew the product before they did it. You just want to grab their attention, right? So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please remember to go down and click like, share, and subscribe. If you have any friends that struggle with e-commerce, please do let them know that the Ecom boss got them. And like I said, guys, I hope you liked this video and you smash the like button with me right now. You see my thumb here? Please smash the like button, subscribe to the Ecom boss channel, and you'll be seeing me in the next video.